Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is salivary glands. So students, let us first go through what all we'll be covering in this particular topic. We'll be studying the composition of saliva, we'll be also studying salivary glands, and we'll be also learning about the various functions of saliva. So let us begin. Students, what is exactly saliva and what is its composition? Let us see. Saliva is a fluid or a liquid which is secreted by the salivary glands. Also, it is slightly acidic. That means the pH is just below 7. It is 6.8. It contains a lot of water, that is almost 99%. Also students, it contains salts, mucus and the enzyme salivary amylase. This enzyme, students, is commonly known as ptyalin and helps in the digestion of food. Moving on students, now let us take a look at the various salivary glands. Let us have a beautiful image. What you see here students, all the glands in yellow are the salivary glands. Let us see their names. The very first one, the largest, are the parotid glands. Students, these glands are located in front and below each ear, one on the left and one on the right. So therefore, they are a pair of parotid glands. Also students, next we have the submandibular glands. Look at this word, sub meaning below, and mandibular standing for the lower jaw. So I can say these are a pair of glands present below the lower jaw. Or I can also say that they are lying close to the inner side of the lower jaw. Moving on students, the last pair of glands are known as the sublingual glands. Again look at this word, sub again stands for below and lingual here means tongue. So these are a pair of glands lying just below the tongue. Okay. All these three pairs of glands, they secrete saliva.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.